as you all know, the holidays are upon us, and if you're fortunate enough to have a life, that means you're gonna have a lot of parties and events to go to. I swear I have stuff I'm invited to. I'm cool, that's true. Yeah, I have tons of parties I'm going to. Anyway, as you all know, I'm a busy mom right now, so I don't really have time to do my makeup. But, you know, because I do go to parties, sometimes I have to glam it up a bit. So this is a really quick eye makeup tutorial for a holiday glam sort of look that takes less than 1 minute to do per eye. It's great for busy people out there and hopefully you find it useful. Anyway, let's get on to the tutorial, shall we?
Alright, so as usual, I'm going to start off with my favorite primer from Eccentric Cosmetics. I'm in a pink mood right now, so that's what I'm going with, but you can pick whatever shade you like, brown, green, blue, any shade you want. Just apply this all over your eyes, making sure it peaks above your eye line when you open your eyes so that it looks sort of like an eyeshadow eyeliner. Next up, grab a shade that's a tad darker than the first shade you used and apply it on the outer 1/3 of the eyeshadow block you've just created, and then blend it inwards and wing it out slightly. Shamelessly showing off the packaging to my It's Demo Pikachu translucent powder here. Anyway, with a fluffy blending brush coated in translucent powder, and just rub it at the edges of the eyeshadow block you've created to soften any hard edges. For liner, I'm going with a brown pencil liner from Esqido, and I'm going to pull it horizontally outwards from the corner of my eye. Some people like to call this the Korean style liner or the puppy liner. The reason I'm picking brown is because it just gives it a more softer look. You can go with a black liner if you want this look to look a bit more dramatic. Grab a highlighter of your choice. I'm using Fenty Beauty's Fire Crystal, and pat it with your finger in the middle of your eye and at the bottom of your lower lash line. I like applying with my fingers because I feel like the color becomes more vibrant thanks to the oils in my fingers. But of course you can use a brush if you want this to be neater. Finally, optional step, mascara. I normally prefer to go without mascara when I'm in a hurry because mascara just takes forever to apply on monolids if I want it to be smudge proof. I have a tutorial for smudge proof mascara on monolids and I'll link it above and below. And after mascara, I'm curling my eyes with a heated eyelash curler. This is the secret to keeping lashes curled on monolids. The brand I'm using is Panasonic. It's the brand I've been using since I'm 16. And you're pretty much done.
And that's it. Thank you so much for watching the entire tutorial. If you like it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and feel free to follow me on Instagram. I'm also working with Monolids there. DM me if you have any questions. Anyway, thanks again for watching and I'll see you next time. See you. Bye.